Go to the light, Mike. Walk towards the light. Someday that's going to happen. Hey, everybody. Monkey Wrench Mike. I am back with another video on what looks to be a boring old Jaguar, but it is not. It's one of the many surprising finds you can find out here in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the Copart facility. I'm having a lot of fun today finding all kinds of amazing cars and trucks. I even got into a semi and an RV. Go check out those videos if they have been released yet or not. But we have found, a wolf in sheep's clothing. This is a cool car. You think it's nothing until you look under the hood and you see one little thing. All right, let's take a look. This is a 2003, okay, that's my bag right there, 2003 Jaguar S-Type, okay? This doesn't look to be anything special until you look under the hood or you look at the dash, okay? This is basically, well, a lot of Ford parts are in this, okay? Here's what you're looking for. Right there, baby. Right there. That's just one of the signs. The other sign is when you sit inside, you see green. You go green with envy. I think that's true. If I remember right, when it has the green, then that means it's the V8, which is what you want, which means this is a beast of a car. Yeah, these are cool cars. Let me show you the hood. As far as the damage goes, nothing major, okay? These cars are all over salvage yards, and the silver is really popular, so get yourself a bumper and a hood, maybe a hood. Well, this, I wouldn't even worry about this. I would just straighten that out with a board, okay? So you need a bumper and a fender. This may buff out. I don't know if there's any damage to the light. I wouldn't worry about it. But let's go inside here and show you. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. This is the big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cylinders. We're missing a cover right there. Okay, not a big problem. But these are super fun cars. Do we have oil? I hope so, because I really certainly want to start this one. We do. And it looks brown. It doesn't look completely black, so that's okay. Get it in the hole. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you for your service. Looks good, looks good, looks good. The inside looks to be in really good condition in my, 5 seconds that I've looked at it. See the back seat? No rips, no tears. You got some wood. You got some nice leather. Not a whole bunch of room, but it does seem to be a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. All right, let's just see if she has any juice. Let's see what's going to happen here, okay? Come on, little girl, start for me. She doesn't want to start. Driver's door open. What's wrong here? 300 horsepower in this car, and she won't start. What's the deal? What's the deal? Let's close everything and see if we can get everything to work. Because this would be a great car for somebody. This would be a fun car to have. It would really be a fun car to have. Close everything up. There we go. Then we're going to lock it and unlock it. Is that it? Okay. Now are you going to try to start for me? No. What is wrong with this car? DSC not available. There's a little button under here that you can push. It's kind of a reset for like a fuel pump cutoff switch. No. Are these working at all? Oh, come on. This is a 4.2 liter V8, 300 horsepower, green on the dials. The windshield wipers work. Why is this not? Come on. I really wanted this car to start. I'm interested in you. You're gorgeous. Let me push this button again. Where'd it go? Here. It won't let me. It won't even let me get out of park. So there's some kind of an anti-theft device going on here. I've got all the doors closed. I've opened and closed them. Oh. Well, we're just going to have to keep... We'll have to just keep looking. Dag nabbit. Well, do you remember these? Yeah. 2002 Chevy Camaro RS. Yep, from back in the day. Okay, she's had a little bitty fender bender, literally. Okay, just a little bent right here. These parts are going to be real inexpensive. But then you got to match the paint. Could the bumper be saved? Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, it's cracked right here, but I have a little plastic welder that would do that and would fix this very easily. This could probably be buffed out. It's plastic. You need a headlight though. That's not coming out. There's a hole. As far as other damage, nope, nope, nope. No, nope, 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 no. She looks good. And I do like how they kind of integrated this little right here. Woo, woo, woo. I think that's a good look. Okay, so you need a tail light. Or a piece of a tail light. Can you buy just the yellow and the white? Or you have to get the whole thing? Probably the whole thing. This is cool. Is it silver or black on the inside? T-tops, yes sir, thank you very much. Power windows. You even get your charging cord. You get 2 floor mats. Let's just put them right back here. You get some clothes and a steering wheel cover. What more could you ask for? And you get a seat that is so upright it's not going to be very comfortable to sit in. But let's jump in and let's just kind of see what it's like. Let's go back to college days. No, I was out of college in 2002. I was way out of college in 2002. This looks pretty cool. You guys follow Santa? Santa's Workshop? You would be interested in this maybe. This is a cool looking car. Yeah. 120 mile an hour speedometer. Typical setup right here. All the Pontiacs and GMs had this. This is typical. This is kind of typical. Here you go. The seat is actually kind of comfortable. And someone has tinted the T-tops. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's a good looking man right there. Good looking man. We'll fix that, put that back. Let's take a look at the engine, see what's going on. And underneath the hood, you got your 3800 Series 2. Sounds like a Buick engine to me. It's a 6-cylinder. So RS is really slow. Yeah, that's what it stands for. It looks like you have a new alternator. That's good. It's been kind of maintained. Absolutely. 3 of 22 on your battery. You do need a new belt. That is cracked up beyond belief. We have some leafages right here. We can get rid of that. Leave the car a little better than when we found it. Here we go. Look at that. This really gives. This really gives. Coolant. Okay, typical. Yeah, this is, it is what it is. And I'm just not a Camaro guy. I'm sorry, folks. I'm just really not a Camaro guy. The interior is in good condition. I'm sure it would start. I can't start it. There's no power to the battery. I'm unable to start. So, yeah, we're just gonna go on this one. I mean, you've got the chrome wheels from the 2000s. And you got your Go Fast racing stripes on a 6-cylinder engine. I'm not making fun of it. I'm not making fun of it. If you are a Chevy Camaro guy or girl, guy or gal, more power to you. I'm sure this was a good engine. I know it was a good engine, but it's just not, I'm just not really super interested. So, thank you. Thank you for your service. You were lovely. You were lovely to look at. And I do like how they integrated this. Right into the side mirrors. Woo, fancy. What a day it has been today. It's been a long day, and I have done so many videos, and I want to say a great big shout out and a great big thank you to everybody. Look up, eyes up here, eyes up here. No, I'm trying to get my camera here, and I got this tripod attached to it. Anyway, I want to say thank you to everybody at Copart for letting me come out here and check out all the cool cars and trucks and SUVs and everything. Super friendly. They're always super kind when I come inside, and I get to wander around, which is really cool. And you can too. On certain days. It depends on the auction yard and when the auction is and the days that you can check out the vehicles. Sometimes they will even escort you around. They had a worker who was walking two guys around looking at cars, and he had a jump starter, and he tried to jump start an old Cadillac Eldorado, two-door. But his jump starter had started his last car, so his jump starter was dead. But it was nice that he offered, all right? Super friendly people. And I want to say thanks to you for watching this as well. The camera's going lower and lower, but we're going to try to stay right here. Yeah, we still are trying to sell some hats. We'll have them available to the public pretty soon. You like it in tan, black, or gray, because they got all three colors, and white. I have white hats in case you're a girl and you like white hats. Okay, I'll be putting those up for sale very, very soon. I'm exhausted. I dropped my Coke. I haven't had anything to drink in a couple hours. So I'm going to go through Wendy's. Get me a junior bacon cheeseburger. That sounds really good. Okay? Have a great day, everybody. Remember, always make whatever you're given better. Leave people better than the way that you met them. Leave cars better than the way that you first saw them. And I think karma will come back and bless you. I'm hoping it blesses me. Okay. Have a great day. Bye-bye.